my name is Abhik Bharti. So today I will teach you that how you can cast your computer or laptop screen to your TV without using a single wire. So what you have to do to cast your computer screen or laptop screen to TV, what you have to do, you have to first open Google Chrome browser. It would not work for any other browser. You have to only open Google. When you open Google, there would be an option of these three dots at the corner where there is this cross button to close. There you will get a three dot. You have to click on that, and now what you will get? You will get an option of cast. This one you can see. You have to click on that. Now here what will happen? This type of screen will come here. Cast tab. So in the cast tab, what you will get? You will get an option of sources. You have to click on that. Then you will get an option of cast screen. You have to click on that, and then here all the TVs that are nearby you, it would be shown here. So I have named this TV as the bedroom TV. So bedroom TV is showing here. You have to click on that, and now it would, as you can see in your TV, the screen of your computer has been casted. If you would do anything on your computer, it would be changed in the, you can say, TV also. It is casted now. Like I open this application, then in the TV also this has opened. And if you want to stop the casting, the work is finished, then what you have to do? You have to again open Google Chrome. See, in Google Chrome, then there you will get an option of blue type thing. You will get. You have to click on that, and then you will get here the TV which you have connected cast. Then you have to click on that again. Then it would be stop casting. For again to cast, click on it. It would be casted, and again click on it to stop the cast. So I hope you understood it. If you like the video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's 100% free. You can unsubscribe later. So bye bye.